Fam, you can't tell me nothing. Tell me this is not good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is MOESOON. I record videos on faith, beauty, hairstyle, life, travel when we are permitted to. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. You are the real MVP. Today I just felt like it's been a long time since I touched my makeup, and I just feel it's just gonna expire and I'm gonna be upset because I couldn't use it for 6 months. So today I'm just going to create a look. I'll see if I can chit chat and create a look, but the main focus of this video is just to create a smoky eye. But if I can chit chat, if I can multitask and do that, I believe I can, then it'll be a chit chat video. Cool. So let's get into today's video. All right, so I moved up close and personal. I'm gonna start off with my brows. I am gonna be quiet because I don't know how to talk and do my brows at the same time. So I'm just gonna speed through this really quickly. But I hope everyone is doing well. I really do hope so. There's a lot going on with people, especially in this pandemic. I feel like this 2020 is the year of revealing. Yes, I feel like 2020 is the year of revealing and the year of discovery. And I'll get into that once I'm done with my brows. Yes, I have no brows. I do, but they have not been done. I'm, praying over these suckers to be full because they were full when I was younger, and we're believing God again. So I'm just gonna shape them out. I might tweeze a couple just for it to not look all crazy. But yeah, I don't know. Whoever says tweezing doesn't hurt, tweezing hurts. It hurts, so it's not for the faint of heart. So I'm gonna fill in my brows and then come back. All right, so I'm back. I'm gonna start with my lids. I'm trying to think of a color I'm gonna do, but I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Cappuccino and Warm Honey. I picked up some stuff at Target, and they don't have testers in all the Target, so I just don't feel like returning it and be like, here, I don't want. So I'm just gonna make use of it. Okay, these two colors right here is what I'm using. I said earlier that I feel like this year has been a year of discovery and revealing for many people and for society as well. There's just so much that has been happening in and out of the news, in and outside of the church, with people. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. I feel like a lot of us don't know what to do with all this information, and we don't know how to reason with it. It's a lot of information, so sometimes it's like I don't even want to listen to the news anymore. Checking in with my sister, my mom, really, because she's the one that listens to the news. I'm like, are we in phase 3 now, or we're back in phase 2? Like, because I really just I just don't want to keep hearing bad news because it can be draining. But yeah, there's just so much, and I hope that I really hope that everyone is taking the opportunity to just know themselves a little bit more, understand why you make the decisions that you make, whether it's something that it's innate or nurture, family upbringings or culture, society, so that we as human beings can make better decisions. Like for me, I've been just really processing my behaviors towards people and towards myself, my thought process, why I do what I do, because I want to know if it's something that I picked up, something that I learned, or something that was taught to me, or something that's in me. And it's been really, really, really good for me. I feel like I've learned. I'm still learning. I see certain traits of my mom in me. I see certain traits of my father in me. I see certain traits of friends in me. Like, whether we like it or not, people you interact with influence the way you behave and the way you think. Some people don't like to believe that, but it's true. That's why there's a saying, show me your friends and I'll show you who you are. It's really, really, it's legit. Show me your family and I'll show you who you are too. That if we're not solid enough and we can't take the time to process information and have the right tools, whether it is you pray, you listen to music, you read a book, you have conversations, you have dialogue with people that you normally would not have dialogue with, just to work through the process, work through emotions, things can go to the left. I've seen it with a lot of people. Also, it's very rampant in the news, you know, people that are living alone, having issues with anxiety, depression, especially during this pandemic because it's more heightened. You're not able to interact with people that you would normally interact with to help suppress those issues. There's a lot of people that live alone and really didn't understand the impact of living alone until this pandemic. Like, they're getting to see, like, really, like, living alone is not the move. If I make any sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I really do feel if we're using this time wisely, it would be for our own benefit, and it's a learning curve in itself as well. So I'm taking this palette and I am going to I'm going to start with Culture, which is this color right here, and then I'm going to come down to Thick, which is this color right here, as my transition color. Next, I'm going to go with Revenge, to use Revenge, which is back down here. Next, I'm going to take Played Out from the same palette. So next, I'm going to take my NYX palette, this palette, and I am going to use the black here just to deepen my corner. So I'm just going to take a little bit concealer and just go over my outer lids again. So I'm taking this green color IE. Alright, I think I like it. I'm just going to go over again with Revenge just to blend everything out on the top. I'm going to take Stallion and line my bottom lash line. So I'm taking these lashes from AliExpress and popping them on. Alright, so now that my lids are done for now, I am going to prime my face. I'm going to prime my face with the Prime Shield from Milani. This right here. I'm going to prime real. So I really don't have anything on my face besides a moisturizer that I used earlier today. It's getting dark. Sorry you guys, maybe I should go bring my ring light. All right, so I've primed my face. I think I'm gonna take Warm Coconut and Coconut, which is just a step away, and mix the two together. Okay, so I'm taking those two foundations again, just to use to highlight. So I'm gonna do the darker one on the perimeter. And then I'm going to take the lighter one and then top that off, even though I'm gonna blend the two. So I don't like to contour my nose, so I thought about highlighting my nose, but then bringing it up to a point to make it look like I contoured my nose. You see? I don't like contouring my nose. It just looks like I'm putting brown powder on my nose to give it shape. I don't know, it's just weird. Me, I like my big fat nose the way it is. So, because I brought this up a little bit, you know, so I'm just like, oh, muscle, why don't you just try it out? So I'm going to set with the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in Banana. So yes, I'm going to set my face with it. So I'm just going to dab, take off the excess, and then set underneath my eyes. Taking my Gruyere bronzer powder. I've had this for years. Yes, I'm almost done. When I'm done, I'll buy another one. I'm gonna contour my cheekbones. Wow. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to act. And I've got no place to go. Neutral Coconut Mocha from Sephora. This is my all-around face powder. I used to use a similar color in, I forget the color in MAC, but Sephora is cheaper. I beg. So, just gonna use that to set all around my face. I'm gonna take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium deep and just clear up under my eyes where I set with the setting powders, because I don't like flashbacks, you know. So I'm just buffing that out in circular motion, just to remove any excess that's still on top that did not go into my skin. We are done. Okay, just to help the look, I'm going to wear earrings, and then I'm trying to decide if I want to put it in a color tear duct. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a little blush, because I kind of think I look good right now. So I'm deciding, should we do blush, you know, should we do inner tear duct, you know. We're definitely doing highlighter. Should I even do lip? Because I just like, you know. I'm gonna do a little blush. I'm gonna take my Exhibit A in NARS. Favorite, as in favorite. And I'm just going to do very light, because it's a very potent blush. So I'm just going to do very light. As you can see, I'm just 1 and a 2, and then right here from the apples, you see that, from the apples of my cheeks, and I'm just going to circle that out, you know, circle that out. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So I'm going to set my face with the NYX Matte Finish. I'm going to set my face in NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So I used to tend to cover these so it doesn't crease out, because I have hooded eyes. So I think I'm just going to do that. Okay? And then saturate everywhere else. Now, to highlight, I'm going to take Miss Lynn, because I only have 3 highlighters, 1 from Fenty and 2 from Miss Lynn, in this palette, and I'm going to take this one right here and put that over. So I'm just doing a little shimmy and start from the highest place and work my way down. See that? Okay, and then just use the other side to brush it out because we don't want too much. Brush that out. C'est fini. Autant. So another 1, 2 for the other side, and I'm starting from the highest point. So I do that just in case it's too much. It can be too much in the corner, but not down the line. You understand? So and then bam, Sherry, do you see it? Just a little goes a long way, especially when you set your face and then you put the highlighter on top. Ooh, oh Lord have mercy, mercy, oh Lord. So I'm just gonna do a little, I like to do a little in the middle right there. You see that? Bam, we're good. And then just a little by my bam, bam, we're good. I used to do Cupid's bow, but I ain't feeling it. So I'm just gonna do a little tip of my nose right there. You see that? That's all we need. That's all we need. So I know the girls then, they be doing up here. I'm just going to take just a little pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. I don't want it to show that much. And put a little inner tear ducts. I'm thinking I should go with Unbothered from that palette, this white one right here, because it comes out like shimmer champagne gold. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and you see that right there, you see it. Do you see the magic? Oh my Lord. To make a pointy and do that on the other side as well. And then I would drag just to connect to the under eye. You understand? Alright, so I'm gonna take this brown lip pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store for like $1. Yeah, $1. And I'm just gonna line my lips. So it's not that I have like gloss on, I just have lip balm, lip gloss. So I did have gloss just to moisturize my lip while I was doing my makeup because it can be chapped. This MAC lipstick in Fanfare because it kind of looks like the middle of my lip. And then just put that in the middle. I'm gonna take this brown from this NYX Escape with Rio LIR 10, and I'm going to take this brown to just deepen my brown here because the brown looks kind of like reddish, and the brown looks kind of reddish, the pencil, and I don't want a reddish effect. I'm just going to take my Chanel lip gloss in 166. It's so done, but we're scraping and just go on top. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. I love it. I like it. I hope you like it and love it. If you do, thumbs up this video, comment below. If you have sat here and watched this whole tutorial and you have not subscribed, come on, subscribe. Subscription is free. Just click the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification button so that you can be informed when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I appreciate you guys coming here watching this video. I appreciate your comments, your feedback, and I just believe things are gonna get better, and it would all end well for all of us. Amen. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.